Hi friends, today I am going to show you a simple tea time snack with breadfruit or jeegujje. To prepare breadfruit fritters, I am using one breadfruit here which I have cut the end and removed the skin, and then I am cutting it into 4 equal parts and removing the center. After removing the center, I have thinly sliced the breadfruit and soaked it in water. This helps to remove the stickiness that the breadfruit has. Now to prepare the batter, I have taken 1 cup of besan, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili powder and half teaspoon of carom seeds. The red chili powder and the salt can be adjusted based on the preference. To this I have added 1 teaspoon of oil and then prepared a batter by adding water as required. The batter needs to be of medium consistency, just like this. Now that the batter is ready, I have drained the soaked breadfruit and by coating them in the batter, deep fry them over the medium flame. We will fry this until the bubbles are reduced and the fritter turns golden brown. The fritter is cooked. Now let's remove it from the oil. The tasty and quick snack breadfruit fritter is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the New Home Kitchen. Bye!